my lovelies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Miss K, and today I'm going to show you how to get pretty pink plump lips. Stay tuned for more. These are the exact ingredients you guys will need to create your honey brown lip sugar scrub. Don't worry guys, I've listed all the measurements and the benefits of each ingredient down below in the description box. So make sure you check it out so you won't miss out. You want to make sure that you mix all the ingredients together exactly like so you have an even mix and sugar added together. I ended up adding more sugar because it wasn't thick enough for me, but you can create any type of mix that you like. So I ended up finding a small container, which was really great because I plan on using my sugar scrub for over 2 weeks. Exactly 2 weeks, because you want to toss it out after that. But if you don't plan on using this more than just today, it's completely fine to skip this step and just use the bowl or container or whatever you use to mix it in. This is exactly how your mix should look after mixing all the ingredients together. Yum! Okay, so after storing the scrub in the fridge for 10 minutes, I am going to apply the scrub to my dry, chapped, crusty lips. This is how it looks once you take it out the fridge. Yes, guys, it smells that amazing. So I ended up applying this to my lips already, but my camera stopped filming, so I had to reapply. But that's okay. The show must go on. You want to use a Q-tip or your finger. If you want to use your finger, wash your hands first, because we don't want any more bacteria on our lips. Let this mix stay on your lips for at least 5 minutes. Hey my lovelies, sorry to interrupt, but if you made it this far, you might as well subscribe, right? It's easy, just click that little button right there. It's red and it's white, just click it, you can't miss it. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to know if you're thinking about trying this routine at home. If so, what ingredients you plan on using. If some of you have already tried this and want to just check out this video for more details, then let me know what ingredients you use and how it works for you. Feel free to contact me, reach out, I don't bite. I'll be happy to talk to you. Welcome back. Okay, after 5 minutes, you want to use your ring finger because it is your lightest finger, and begin to rub the scrub all over your lips in a circular motion. Be careful guys, we don't want to over exfoliate because it can cause bleeding to your lips. Ouch! Mwah! So now guys, you want to take a nice warm bowl of water with a rag, cloth, whatever you want to use, and begin to wipe it off slowly and gently. Wow, I can see a difference already. So now I'm going to apply a yogurt and honey mix I created the same day just to help soothe my lips and make them plump and moisturized for after effect. So as I'm going to let this mask sit on my lips for 2 minutes, I'm just doing anything to kill time, and I love to dance. I am now going to wipe this off the same way I did the scrub. lip balm, which really sucks because the name is not on it, so I can't remember where I got it from, but it smells and feels amazing. Alright guys, and there you go, my lip skin scrub routine. Make sure that you like, comment below.